County until 6 p.m.
Tornado warning!
At 5:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Raleigh, moving north at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact.
Haven't had a tornado warning in a while.
For those caught without shelter.
It's for Wake
Mobile
County!
homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Raleigh around 5:35 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Falls Lake. Take cover now.
That's just it.
Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following county: Wake, North Carolina,